Hey Zeke, what are we doing? What are you doing?
Well, I'm on the 85.
Is this your first go on the 85?
Yep.
What do you think?
I think it's going to be pretty cool.
Okay mate, so we had a practice run before, didn't we?
Yeah.
And I've got to actually hold the bike while you're on it because you're still a bit short. Hop off the bike and just show people. Ow, you just kicked me.
Sorry.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay, I'll do a walk around. So as you can see, the bike's actually still a bit big for Zeke. But you're not scared of it though, are you?
No. Before we started filming, I hit this bump and I was like, oh yeah! And then I revved hard and then I did a massive wheelie off of this tiny bump.
It was massive. You were almost vertical, man. I thought you were coming off. I was more scared than you were, obviously, but
I stayed on.
you stayed on like a little trooper and rode it out. Good boy. So, hey, but let's not try and do that again, eh? Because not yet. That was obviously an accident when you did it. Hey, so let's try and refrain from those ones.
Yeah.
Okay, mate. Jump back on.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, hang on. Yep, I got it.
Sure.
Okay, wait. Right. Is it in neutral? Yep. Kick it in the guts. Oh, more gas, buddy. This is what we're trying to learn at the moment. Don't be so quick on the kicker. Yes. There we go, and he's off. And he's off. And when he goes to stop, I actually have to catch him. Far out, man. This guy's fuck. He's giving me the shits. Okay, come on down. Don't you pull that weird. Oh shit. Yeah, it's a lot quicker than the 65 he's been riding. I think he'll go alright, but I think he's still too small. He can't compete on that. Okay, that's our little code. Comes past and tells me, catch me on the next round. That's when he's going to stop. Right, he'll come up to me and he'll start slowing down. See if I can do this while holding the phone. Just press the red button. Oh, or stall it. That's cool. Okay, hop off. Got it?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah. Did a couple wheelies.
Couple little ones, eh?
Yeah.
All right, mate. So I guess this is.
Time to go home.
Hey,
Time to go home.
hiding my. Okay, mate.
Alright.
So.
Bye. See you in the next vid.